Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we will learn how to enable user registration on the My Account page in WooCommerce. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. Let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. You can see this is the My e-commerce website, and if you click on this user icon from the right side top, sign in, this is the My Account page. Okay, let's check this page with another browser. So copy this link and visit with incognito mode. Yes, you can see currently it shows only login page and registration form is missing. Now in this tutorial we will learn how to enable the registration form in My Account page. Okay, so let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard and hover over on WooCommerce, click on settings. You can see it shows lots of settings tab. You have to navigate to the accounts and privacy. So click on this accounts and privacy tab. Scroll down, then you can see account creation. Very fast checkout, then the account creation. Allow customers to create an account during checkout. Then on My Account page, we want to enable it on My Account page. So click here, scroll down and save changes. Then again check the My Account page with incognito mode. This is the incognito mode. Refresh the page. Yes, you can see registration form is showing. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos on WordPress.